People, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna do barbie fried chicken or barbecue fried chicken. So I am currently swinging off the small feathers on the chicken. There are some small feathers, not sure if you can see them. So I am doing this process that we call swinging off in Jamaica. I don't know what you call it in your country. So I'm using various parts of the chicken: wings, leg and thigh, breasts. So that's basically it. So now I am gonna wash the chicken, and I am using salt. So I am sprinkling on some salt on the chicken. You can use flour, you can use lime juice, and you can use lemon juice as well to wash the chicken. So I'm just gonna let it soak in the salt water for a bit. Please excuse the sunlight. So in this container are 2 eggs beaten, and to the 2 beaten eggs I am gonna add that is less than 1/4 cup of milk, just normal cow's milk. I'm just gonna give it a stir. So in this container is 1¼ cups of all-purpose flour. So I did not put any spices into it because I already seasoned the chicken, so I'm not gonna put any spices in this. If you want to put your regular chicken season, all-purpose, etc., onion powder or so forth in it, then go ahead. But I am not putting any in mine because the chicken is well seasoned with a lot of different spices. So this is the seasoned chicken. So just put it into the egg wash. It drip a bit. And then you drench it into the flour. Kind of squeeze the flour on it like this. And then you kind of shake off the excess flour. Put it on this plate. So a Dutch pot is on medium-low heat. It's more to low than medium, with 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. So the oil is hot. So I'm gonna put in the chicken. And this Dutch pot is very small, so I can only do 2 pieces at a time because I want to space them. Five minutes later, turn the chicken pieces. And I am going to turn, 5 minutes later, I am going to turn them again. And I am going to keep turning them until about, say, 15 minutes. Because I want my chicken to cook properly and soak. So 15 minutes, the total cooking time for these 2 pieces of chicken. So I am gonna make my own barbecue sauce because the barbecue sauce that is in the supermarket, I cannot stomach them. I cannot stomach them, meaning I don't like them. It seems as if liquid smoke is added to them, and I do not like anything that liquid smoke has been added to. So I'm gonna make my own barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna use ketchup, good amount of ketchup, and some brown sugar to add some caramelization and some sweetness. Or extra sweetness because the ketchup is sweet. Some red wine vinegar, and some white vinegar as well. Just a little bit. So I am gonna add some Worcestershire sauce. This is just to add some flavor. Some molasses, and this is the real molasses that comes straight from the sugar factory. The real molasses. This. So I am gonna just give it a good stir. My homemade barbecue sauce, people. This is better than the store, the ones that you purchase in the stores. You can tell me say this not tastes better. Trust me, I'm gonna bring out the recipe and I'm gonna add more ingredient to it. The recipe that soon turn up. You see this molasses, the one here, are the real deal. You cannot get this to buy online. You have to get this to buy. This is the real deal from the sugar factory. Molasses, the real molasses. So you don't know, say, I'm going to open my online store where you can get a lot of real things to buy. Just give me some time and that will come out soon. So in the meantime, see my good old barbecue sauce, 100% tastes nice. Better than the one you purchase in the stores. So I'm gonna just set this. You know, some people put it on the fire to come to a boil or things like that. I don't really do that. I just make it and I'm gonna just put it on the countertop and just make it come together. I don't need to put it on for eat. But if you want, you can do that. So see my fried chicken them here now. 3 pieces are still frying, so I wait for them 3 pieces. If it done fry, then I continue with the recipe. But see them fry so far. I'm gonna go and cool out. So people, in the meantime, I am gonna pour just a small amount of vegetable oil into this pan, and I'm gonna use a brush and just brush it. Okay, so I'm gonna place this, we call this rock, probably, and I'm gonna brush some oil on it first. Oil. So in the meantime, put the oven to preheat at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to put them into the oven for about 15 minutes. Put this aside. Now with the chicken. So what I'm gonna do now is to cut this right in the joint, right, and cut this one as well, right in the joint. It is still hot, right? Let's put this over here. Please excuse this sunlight. So what I'm going to do is to put this in around this. If you want, you can wear a gloves. I'm preparing this for my family, and the family not scan me. My hands are clean. So I'm just gonna place it right there, so keep there on that, right? So I'm just gonna do the others. So now each pieces of the chicken is covered with homemade barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna put it into a preheated oven for 20 minutes. You know, I just want the sauce to bubble up and kind of sort of caramelize the chicken pieces, and that will take, I would say, 20 minutes the most. This is it, people. This is the finishing barbe fry chicken. Enjoy my recipe. Subscribe to my channel. Click the post notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video. When you click the post notification bell, make sure to click all if you want to receive all uploads to this channel. Thanks for watching. Walk good.
Me a the teacher, hey. Kulida gwenze musomesa asomesa basomesa. Ze musomesa asomesa basomesa. Pina mana ze musomesa asomesa basomesa. Ze musomesa asomesa basomesa. Cho. When I'm in a class, students call me asa. Some of them a call me professor. Nadala bakampa. Sama kilili ni masaka. Them a call me lyrical master. Lyrical master to waka na nkukakasa nkukakasa.